Okay, I want to take a moment and talk to you guys about Seafair. Your parents should have received an email yesterday explaining some changes that Seafair is going to take on now that we are doing distance learning. So, first of all, you still have one more check-in right here. April 27th. That is your final check-in. That is next Monday. Next Monday, you should have completed page 7 of your learning journey. Page 7 of your learning journey is your final mentor meeting or final decisions that you have made and how you're going to finish up your project. Now remember, your project might not look the same as you thought it was going to look in the beginning. That is okay. Please do not stress about that. Do your best. You should also have 7 pictures now with 3 sentences to describe each picture. Now remember, these pictures are of your journey, so you should be the focus of these pictures. These pictures should tell me or show me what you've been up to, what you've been doing, or pictures of you doing these activities. So if you are learning to create some type of art piece, then I should see pictures of you creating that or researching the different mediums of clay or paint or watercolor. These pictures should not just be of other people. They should be of you and your learning journey. Okay? So that's the first thing you should focus on. Today, you should spend some time focusing on page 7 of your learning journey and making sure that you have those 7 pictures. Remember, you'll need 10 pictures altogether at the end of this project. So that's due Monday. Then, this is the email that your parents received. This is talking about how things are changing. So some main things I want to point out to you. Monday, May 4th is when you need all 10 of your pictures. You should have 10 pictures altogether. These 10 pictures should show me your process, your learning journey. For example, I took Barrett to the store before all this started, and I have pictures of him shopping to pick out his materials. Then yesterday, his dad and him were drawing, so I took a couple pictures of that. So the step-by-step of the process here. All right, so once you've gotten together your pictures, remember each picture should have 3 sentences. You should have 10 pictures altogether. By Monday, May 4th, you will upload a small video of you just talking to me and showing me these 10 pictures and their descriptions. You can either post it to Class Dojo or you can email it to my email. Then, on Monday, May 4th, you also should have a 1-paragraph written conclusion. You have a conclusion page. It looks like not that. It looks like this. And this is where you should write your conclusion. I've also included that in the email to your parents. So you should either write your conclusion on here or type your conclusion, and you will be sending me that conclusion, okay? I will need this piece of your project. Okay, going back to the email. Your conclusion should tell me what you chose for your project and why. A simple explanation of your journey from how you got from the beginning to the end. Who your mentor was and how they inspired you. what you discovered and learned, and what you still hope to learn. Remember, we didn't get to finish these projects quite the way we wanted to. So hopefully you can think of a few things that you would still like to learn if and when you do this project again or dig a little deeper. Don't forget that you must have an introduction and concluding sentence. Um, so attached to this email was your conclusion page, as well as your page 7. So this is what you should be focusing on today for your check-in on Monday. Getting those pictures finished up, getting those sentences finished up. And then just quickly, and I'll talk more about this next week as well, before Wednesday, May 6th, you should have an artifact. An artifact is something that you can show and tell. So it can be something you created, it can be something you've learned, it can be pictures that you've come across. Whatever your artifact is, this is what you are going to present along with your conclusion on Wednesday, May 6th. Wednesday, May 6th, our Zoom meetings will be for CFAIR presentations. There are a few things you will need to start preparing for your presentation. You must show and explain your 10 pictures. You should read your 1 paragraph written conclusion and then present your artifact. I definitely recommend practicing these things, showing brother, sister, mom, dad, aunt, or uncle, kind of walking yourself through it. It'll be a little easier and it'll feel a little less scary if you've done some practicing. So today, instead of having a new math assignment, you should be working on your CFAIR presentation. You should spend maybe about 45 minutes or so today working on CFAIR so that you are ready for these different pieces. So maybe start thinking about your conclusion, maybe conclusion you work on next week. Page 7 is the dig deeper page. So this is how you can apply it and learn about like using this project for your future. And then just one more quick reminder, you have this final check-in on April 27th right here, okay? Remember, you can ask me any questions that you might have. If you're confused, if you want to show me something before you submit it, send me emails, send me pictures, let me know what's going on.